I think my next order of business is get some dinner ready. Well, I'm melting some snow for my dinner, but that's going to take a little while. So I'm going to have some little snacks. Cheese, crackers, and salami here. Got a feral pig salami from Texas. Nice cheese, wild boar salami, and a Ritz cracker. Wow. Ooh. Got this nice blueberry Wensleydale. This is good stuff. Also got some dried figs here. All right. I got some instant curry and rice cooking up, and I'm looking forward to that. I'm really hungry and tired. And it just tastes so much better than dehydrated camping meals.